SAP Certified Associate, Back-end Developer, ABAP Cloud C_ABAPD_2309 Exam online dumps are your best preparation material. Share some SAP certification C_ABAPD_2309 exam questions here. 1. Which of the following are features of core data services? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. A. Inheritance. B. Associations. C. Annotations. D. Delegation. E. Structured query language, SQL. 2. What is the purpose of a foreign key relationship between 2 tables in the ABAP dictionary? A. To document the relationship between the 2 tables. B. To ensure the integrity of data in the corresponding database tables. C. To create a corresponding foreign key relationship in the database. 3. When does SAP recommend to use a sorted or a hashed table respectively? Note: there are 2 correct answers to this question. A hashed table, when you read a single record and specify the complete key. B. A hashed table, when you read a subset in a loop and specify a part of the key from the left without gaps. C. A sorted table, when you read a subset in a loop and specify a part of the key from the left without gaps. D. A sorted table, when you read a single record and specify non-key fields. 4. Class super has subclass sub. Which rules are valid for the sub-constructor? Note: there are 2 correct answers to this question. A. The method signature can be changed. B. Import parameters can only be evaluated after calling the constructor of super. C. The constructor of super must be called before using any components of your own instance. D. Events of your own instance cannot be raised before the registration of a handler in super. 5. In an access control object, which clauses are used? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. A. Where, to specify the access conditions. B. Crant, to identify the data source. C. Return code, to assign the return code of the authority check. D. Define role, to specify the role name. E. Revoke, to remove access to the data source. 6. What are some of the reasons that core data services are preferable to the classical approach to data modeling? Note: there are 2 correct answers to this question. A. They implement code pushdown. B. They avoid data transfer completely. C. They transfer computational results to the application server. D. They compute results on the application server. 7. What RESTful application programming object contains only the fields required for a particular app? A. Database view. B. Metadata extension. C. Projection view. D. Data model view. 8. In a RESTful application programming application, in which objects do you bind a CDs view to create a value help? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. A. Data model view. B. Behavior definition. C. Metadata extension. D. Service definition. E. Projection view. 9. What are advantages of using a field symbol for internal table row access? Note: there are answers to this question. A. The field symbol can be reused for other programs. B. A modify statement to write changed contents back to the table is not required. C. The row content is copied to the field symbol instead to a work area. D. Using a field symbol is faster than using a work area. 10. Which of the following actions cause an indirect change to a database table requiring a table conversion? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. Renaming a field in a structure that is included in the table definition. B. Changing the field labels of a data element that is used in the table definition. C. Deleting a field from a structure that is included in the table definition. D. Shortening the length of a domain used in a data element that is used in the table definition.